Hello, today we will guide you through how to sync Google Contacts and Gmail to Outlook Contacts. To begin, open your Gmail account in your web browser. Make sure you're signed into the Google account that contains the contacts you want to move. This is important because the export will only include contacts saved in the account currently open. Once Gmail is on screen, go to the top right corner and click the Google Apps icon, which looks like a grid of 9 dots. This opens the Google App Launcher where you can quickly access other Google services linked to your account. From that menu, look for Contacts and click on it. You'll be taken to Google Contacts where your saved names, email addresses, and other contact details are stored. This is where you'll prepare the file that Outlook can import. Next, click on Export Contact. When the export options appear, select the file extension shown for the export. This file format matters because it determines whether Outlook can read the contact list properly. After choosing the correct export option, complete the download and save the file somewhere easy to find, such as your Downloads folder or desktop. Keeping track of the saved file will make the import step much faster. Now open Microsoft Outlook. Once Outlook is loaded, go to the top left area of the screen and click People. This section is where Outlook stores and organizes your contact list, so this is the right place to bring in the file you just exported from Google. In the People view, look at the top menu and click the Manage Contacts dropdown. From the options that appear, choose Import. This tells Outlook that you want to add contacts from a saved file rather than entering them one by one. When the file selection window opens, locate the contact file you exported earlier from Google Contacts and select it. If you saved it in a familiar location, this part should be straightforward. Take a second to confirm you're choosing the correct file so the right contact list is imported. Finally, click Import to begin transferring your contacts into Outlook. Depending on how many contacts you have, this may take a few moments. Once the process finishes, your Google Contacts should now appear in Outlook's People section. If you don't see everything right away, give Outlook a moment to refresh and then check your contact list again. With that, you've completed the sync process by exporting your Google Contacts and importing them into Outlook.